Hello, I'm Laura Zahn from Windermere North. I'm here at the Ronald McDonald House today in Spokane to talk to you about a home away from home. With real estate, we often talk about houses and homes, and this is a home away from home here in Spokane for people 40 miles away or more who have critically ill children. We're doing a supply drive, and I hope you'll be willing to participate because I want to talk to you about applesauce cups. I never knew they were so important until I heard a mom who had had a young son here with cancer in the hospital, who stayed at a Ronald McDonald House for almost a year with that boy and two other kids while the cancer treatment progressed. And she was so moved their very first night because someone donated an applesauce cup to help take care of her family. The siblings, of course, loved the snacks because they were such a treat, but the parents really appreciate that stuff too. So grab and go snacks, toilet paper, towels, as in paper towels, kitchen supplies for people who are cooking meals and making lunches for kids who are siblings who are still going to school while that brother or sister's in the hospital. All that's needed. Ronald McDonald House in Spokane served about 800 families last year. About 60% of those are dealing with a premature baby or a baby with other complications. And the average length of the stay was about 24 days. Families have little to no warning they're going to be here sometimes. And so anything we can do here to make their life a little easier. The Ronald McDonald House provides many services besides just lodging. There's emotional support, there's pet therapy, there's a toy room for those siblings that they really appreciate. Anything to help people just get through a really tough time. So if you'd like to help, we need your supplies now through Friday, March 29th. You can bring them to any Windermere office in Spokane. We'll take them and get them down here. And then on Saturday, the 30th of March, we'll be doing a drive-through supply drive right there. You can drive through here on 5th Avenue, and we'll come out and pick up your stuff from your car and take it in and store it, and staff and volunteers will put it out as needed. So we're hoping to get many months worth of supplies as we did last year. Again, kitchen basics, flour, sugar, oil, that kind of stuff for people making meals here in the beautiful kitchens. Grab and go snacks are always wanted, and cleaning supplies are big help, scrubbing bubbles, all that kind of stuff. So would appreciate if you can help us. If you need some more information, contact me, Laura Zahn at windermere.com. If you'd like to volunteer with Ronald McDonald House, they would love to have you. If you have a group of 6, you can make a meal there, and they'd appreciate that for about 30, 40 people. A club, an organization, a church, a family can come in and do that. So call the volunteer coordinator on that one. Meanwhile, hope to hear from you about our supply drive and see those items stacking up in all our Windermere offices here in Spokane. Thanks so much.